Red, desolate, and mysterious, Mars has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers marveling at its fiery glow, to modern scientists planning human colonies, the red planet has always sparked our imagination. Join us as we journey through the history, science, and future of Mars exploration. From the first robotic rovers to humanity's ambitious dream of colonizing another world. Why Mars? The red planet's allure. Look up on a clear night, and Mars stands out, a glowing ruby in the sky. Ancient civilizations saw it as a divine force, naming it after gods of war. To them, its deep red hue was both mesmerizing and mysterious. But Mars is more than a celestial body of myths. Its iron-rich soil gives it that iconic hue, but beneath its dusty surface lies a world filled with potential. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. Could it have supported life billions of years ago? Today, Mars represents more than curiosity. It's a scientific treasure trove, with evidence of water ice, fascinating geological features, and the possibility of life. It could answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The early missions. The journey to Mars began with tentative steps. In 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 made history as the first spacecraft to fly past the planet. It sent back 21 images of a barren, cratered surface, shattering the romantic notion of a lush, alien world. But humanity wasn't discouraged. The Viking missions of the 1970s were groundbreaking. Viking 1 and 2 not only orbited Mars, but also landed on its surface. These landers returned stunning panoramas and conducted experiments to detect life. While results were inconclusive, they marked a turning point in planetary exploration. The Viking missions taught us how to survive on Mars and laid the groundwork for future exploration, proving that humanity could reach and study other worlds. The Rovers, robotic pioneers. Mars rovers are the boots we've never placed on the ground. They've brought the red planet to life like never before. In 1997, the humble Sojourner became the first rover to explore Mars. Small but mighty, it demonstrated that mobile robots could traverse Martian terrain. Its success paved the way for a new era of exploration. Spirit and Opportunity arrived in 2004, and their achievements were legendary. Opportunity, designed for a 90-day mission, lasted over 15 years, exploring vast plains and discovering hematite, a mineral that forms in water. Then came Curiosity in 2012, a car-sized laboratory with cutting-edge tools. It studied Mars' geology and climate, confirming that the planet was once habitable. In 2021, Perseverance took the stage. Equipped to hunt for signs of ancient microbial life, it's also collecting samples for future missions to bring back to Earth. Each rover tells a piece of Mars' story, revealing a planet once shaped by water and wind. The search for life. Could Mars harbor life? This question has driven scientists for decades. Mars was once warmer, with liquid water flowing across its surface. Vast valleys and riverbeds hint at a planet that might have been Earth-like billions of years ago. Even today, underground ice deposits and seasonal bursts of methane suggest that Mars is still active and possibly home to microbial life. Jezero Crater, Perseverance's landing site, was chosen for its history as an ancient lakebed. Its rocks might hold fossils of microorganisms that lived billions of years ago, offering clues about life beyond Earth. Finding life, or evidence that it once existed, would be one of humanity's most profound discoveries, reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The human factor. Planning. Mars missions. Robotic missions have laid the groundwork, but humans are the next step. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a lunar base as a stepping stone for Mars. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, envisions fleets of starships carrying settlers to the red planet. But sending humans to Mars presents enormous challenges. The journey itself will take 6 months, exposing astronauts to cosmic radiation and isolation. Once on Mars, they'll face extreme cold, low gravity, and limited resources. Yet, plans are already in motion, testing habitats, farming techniques, and life support systems to ensure survival. The first humans on Mars won't just be explorers, they'll be pioneers, laying the foundation for future generations to follow. Colonizing Mars, dreams of a second home. Why Mars? As Earth faces climate change, dwindling resources, and population growth, Mars offers a chance to start anew. But colonizing Mars isn't just about getting there, it's about staying there. Settlers will need to grow food, generate oxygen, and build shelters in an unforgiving environment. Technologies like 3D printed habitats, nuclear power, and water extraction from ice deposits are already being developed. Some dream of terraforming Mars, transforming its atmosphere to make it habitable. While that goal is far in the future, it raises ethical questions. Should we reshape another planet or leave it untouched as a monument to nature's diversity? Mars could become humanity's second home, or a lesson in how to care for the one we already have. Mars in culture and science fiction. Mars has captured our imagination for centuries. From H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds to the blockbuster film The Martian, it has been a canvas for our fears and aspirations. These stories inspire scientists and engineers, turning fiction into reality. The idea of surviving on Mars, once a fantasy, is now a tangible goal, thanks to the technologies these tales have inspired. Mars isn't just a scientific target, it's a cultural icon, reminding us of our capacity to dream and achieve. The challenges ahead. Mars is a planet of extremes. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet for months, temperatures drop to -100°F, and radiation levels are deadly. Astronauts will face isolation, limited resources, and the psychological strain of being millions of miles from Earth. Yet, these challenges drive innovation. By solving problems for Mars, we develop solutions that benefit Earth: clean energy, advanced robotics, and sustainable living. Each step forward on Mars helps us create a better future here at home. Why Mars matters. Mars isn't just a destination, it's a symbol of what humanity can achieve. It inspires us to think bigger, work harder, and push beyond our limits. By exploring Mars, we're not just learning about another planet, we're learning about ourselves. What drives us to explore? How can we work together to solve problems? And what's our role in the vastness of the universe? Mars reminds us that the stars are not out of reach. Mars is more than a red dot in the sky. It's a challenge, an inspiration, and a testament to humanity's endless curiosity. As rovers continue their explorations and humans prepare to follow, the red planet reminds us that the journey of discovery is far from over. What wonders await us on Mars? Only time and our determination will tell.